Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you what exactly is a framework in software profession or IT industry. Framework is a structure or a guidelines, a list of guidelines. When it is called as structure, the structure is again made up of code only, using programming only. This structure you can also assume this is a skeleton, half-built website, or it is a foundation, or it is a base. Now, why this pre-built structure is used for developing software and applications? Think in this way: any company that is working on software development, and the same software development projects it is working multiple times. So again, for each project from zero, if the coding is started, then definitely it takes lot of time for the software development company, the team as well. It takes lot of time to start a project from first line, zero to end of the project. Now, if the same software companies or software team, if they have a half built structure, a foundation that can be multiple times that can be used, or repeated time that can be used, then that kind of code will save lot of companies time and software development's time and efforts, right? The same piece of code can be used in project 1, the same piece of code can be used in project 2, the same piece of code can be used in project 3. Now, these are half built structures, so 20 to 30% of the project is already done by using this framework, or these are the structures which are already made up of code only. Now, that kind of structures are called as framework. Now, there are also some guidelines, list of guidelines that are also called as framework. Guidelines means one by one, in a sequential manner, or in a sequence, the way of performing a task is mentioned. So those kind of guidelines are also called as framework. Now, usually companies use these kind of frameworks and guidelines depending on the project, whether to use guidelines or whether to use a ready-made coded structure or not, depends from company to company. Now, there are many different types of frameworks that are used for different technologies. For example, in web application, for developing a web application, frameworks to develop a web application, frameworks like Ruby on Rails, Django, Express.js, Spring is used. Another example is for developing mobile applications, frameworks like Native, React Native and Ionic, these kind of frameworks are used. For developing gaming applications, games, online games, frameworks like Unity, Unreal Engine, these kind of frameworks are used. Same like that, even in automation testing also frameworks are used. Example, Cucumber, JUnit, TestNG. These are example frameworks that are used in software testing projects. Now, in JavaScript, Java, to develop any program or application using JavaScript, frameworks like AngularJS, React are used. Last one is, example is, for developing a desktop application, frameworks like Electron, Qt, GTK are used. So these are the few examples I have given to explain you what are the different types of, or the popular frameworks that are used for developing different applications. Now, lot of people have this doubt, like we keep on hearing in software industry or IT industry, we keep on hearing about frameworks, use this framework, this is a framework. But many people do not know what exactly frameworks are meant for. That is the reason I created this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions, if you want me to create another videos on any particular terminology, then let me know in the comment section of this video. My name is Sushmita Madhu and this is my English channel. Thank you so much for viewing this long. If you can also share my videos with your friends and family members as well. Thank you so much and namaste.